My name is Mike McReynolds, and this is a Python script that I wrote to make 3D printing easier. You can find it for free on highend3d.com, as well as our company's website, filmworksfx.com. I posted a link in the description. To install it, simply open it in a Python tab and hit Select All, and then middle-click to drag it to a shelf. Mainly, this script is useful for creating custom tree supports for your prints. Decent tree supports are rare in slicers, and the ability to manually place them like this is non-existent as far as I know. To use this script, select a vertex on your model, and then hit Add Support. A support will be created along with controls to change it. You can bend the support around however you like, reposition it, do whatever you need to. Simply hit the up or down arrows to switch between all the various controls on the support. You can also adjust the thickness as well as the tapering of the support after the fact. Supports can also go between verts on the model, or you can have them branch from an existing support. Just select your models, hit F8 and select two verts, and then press this button. If you like, you can merge supports and remove their rigs by booleaning them together by hitting this button. Simply select the supports that you wish to merge, and then hit the button. As you can see, the rig is removed, and now they're one solid piece. In some cases, slicers require this, although this is becoming less and less common. Under Miscellaneous Tools, you can import a representation of your 3D print volume. I've also included a one-button STL export. It'll select all the printable geo, rotate it to be Z up, and export it to an STL file. If you find this script useful, please feel free to send me feature requests and PayPal donations to help fund the development of more scripts like this for 3D printing. If there's enough interest, I may eventually rewrite this script in Max or Blender.